Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is a high protein oatmeal raisin cookie. Today I'm going to show you a high protein version of an oatmeal raisin cookie by using almond flour instead of regular flour. Let's jump right in. The first thing we're doing is we're preheating our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And while that is happening, we are also going to soak some raisins. All of my ingredients and measurements will be down in the description below for this recipe. So I'm gonna take some warm water and soak these while we prep the batter. Although soaking the raisins is a completely optional step, I highly recommend you do it because it just enhances the texture of the cookie when it's baking. So into a larger bowl, I am going to take some softened unsalted butter. And I'm also gonna add some cane sugar. We are going to beat this on a low to medium speed until it gets fluffy. It's gonna take about 2 minutes. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and also like this video while you're at it. Now I'm gonna add 1 large egg, and this is a room temperature egg. And I'm also adding some vanilla extract. Let's go ahead and mix this together. So I mix that until it's just combined. You don't wanna overmix and get it frothy because you don't wanna disturb the egg too much before it bakes. Next, we're going to whisk together our dry ingredients. So I have my almond flour. I'm gonna also add some sea salt and some baking soda. And let's whisk that together. Let's go ahead and add our dry ingredients. I've completely drained the water from the raisins. I'm gonna add the raisins to my batter. And I'm also now going to add in my rolled oats. Let's just fold this in with a spatula. If you guys also haven't followed me on my social media, make sure to check it out. It's Leah's Paladar on all socials. They're also linked in the description and on my main page. I have a sheet pan that I've lined with some parchment paper. I'm also gonna spray down a little bit of avocado oil spray to make sure that the parchment paper isn't moving around while I'm baking it. So I'm just gonna spray it down, just a little bit. And now, depending, of course, how much batter you're going to be making, that's how many sheet pans you're gonna make or how many times you'll be baking this in general. I'm gonna take a 1-inch cookie scoop because I like my cookies a little bit on the smaller side. And I recommend you do them about 1 inch, 2 inches max. And I'm just going to scoop that onto my sheet pan, spacing them out about 1.5 inches apart. I'm now going to take a spoon and gently press down just to flatten out the top a little bit. These cookies are ready to go into the oven. They're gonna bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 12 minutes. You know that they're ready when they are lightly golden. I forgot to also mention that you're gonna wanna flip them halfway through. So at about the 5-6 minute mark, flip them to make sure that they are turned and cooking evenly on both sides of the sheet pan. And these are our delicious high protein oatmeal raisin cookies. You wanna let them cool on a wire rack for about 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, just to make sure that they are completely set. They will be a little bit soft when you take them out of the oven, and you really wanna make sure that you kind of leave them untouched and then cooling on a rack before you dig in. But these cookies are absolutely perfect. Take a look at this texture. I mean, it is crispy on the outside. It is nice, soft, and chewy on the inside. I cannot wait for you guys to try this one. Let me know what you think down in the comments below, and let me know what recipe you want to see next for a dessert. Cheers, guys. You would have absolutely no idea that these are not made with regular flour, and that means that they are better for you. They are higher in protein, so they're better for your macros. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Also hit that notification bell to never miss a tasty upload. Till next time.